But most of the people here. Yeah. It's time. It's 5 minutes to 12, and I'm like a little nervous, but I'm okay.
Although you didn't seem nervous out there, hugging and kissing everybody.
I know. This I'm
So?
nervous now. I really am. I'm like
And what do you
close
want?
up with his hands, like shaking a little bit, but.
So what do you want to say to your lovely bride-to-be?
I love you. Thank you.
Okay.
Just a brother. Yeah.
How about up there with your
Anywhere you want.
Dennis picture?
Yeah.
Would Jimmy ever lie?
I want to get your mom and dad up
Give me
there.
some.
No.
Come on.
Oh, that's good. All right, you can go. We'll get you later then.
You know, Uncle Al sent me this camera. I could kill him.
How's that feel? More comfortable?
Jim, you're really good at that.
What's that?
This video stuff. You can make a tape.
We're gonna make a cooking tape.
Tape.
Make millions. How's my tie?
You go tell him just Jim.
Yeah. Yeah. Who's got the rings? Frank.
And you, sir, don't you have anything to say? What would you like to say?
I gave the flower to my grandmother to give to Uncle Mo.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good. Don't you have anything to say to Jim, like good luck or why you're doing this or anything?
I tried talking.
Give him a
out of it.
kiss. You tried talking him out of it?
Yeah. You want to see a kiss?
Yeah, give him a hug and kiss. Come on.
Yeah. Look at how ugly that tongue is. All I can say is the ball and chain didn't work. Hey, what are you gonna do? Yeah. You tried. We'll see you later.